If It Bleeds, a cocktail tribute to the Predator, the Yautja trophy hunter visiting Earth for sport. Phosphorescent neon green with a thermal orange layer sinking to the bottom, glows under UV. You can't see it coming, then it's right in front of you. 8 elements: mezcal, midori, green chartreuse, blue curacao, fresh lime juice, lychee syrup, tonic water, and grenadine for the thermal layer at the bottom. 1.5 ounces of mezcal, otherworldly and smoky, not from around here, plus 1/2 ounce of midori. When Billy cuts the predator in the jungle, it bleeds bright neon green. Del Maguey Vida for the mezcal. For midori, it's the only call. 1/2 ounce of green chartreuse, 130 herbs, alien complexity in a bottle, plus 1/4 ounce of blue curacao, the cloaking shimmer. It shifts the green toward electric teal, the visual distortion of the invisibility field. You ugly mother. 1/2 ounce of lychee syrup, exotic, floral, alien sweet. Nothing about the predator is from Earth. Then 1 ounce of tonic water, added gently at the end. Tonic contains quinine. It fluoresces under UV. Shine a black light on the drink. It glows electric neon. The grenadine you pour last sinks through the green to the bottom. The thermal orange heat signature beneath the camouflage. Green sugar mixed with black salt on a shallow plate. Full rim, the alien carapace. Drop 1 large ice cube inside. Shake the mezcal, midori, chartreuse, blue curacao, lime juice, and lychee syrup hard with ice for 15 seconds. Double strain over the ice. Add tonic water gently down the side. Don't disturb the green. Now slowly pour the grenadine down the inside edge of the glass. It sinks through the neon green to the bottom. The thermal layer. The heat signature beneath the camouflage. Fan 4 thin pretzel sticks at the front of the rim. The mandibles. He's right in front of you. You couldn't see him until now. Smoky mezcal up front. Alien herbal density from the chartreuse. Exotic lychee sweetness. And that thermal orange burning through the bottom of the glass. It doesn't feel quite earthbound. If it bleeds, we can kill it. Now you know what it tastes like. Come back and sit down for another drink soon.